It is a great honor for me to speak before you today. When I look back at Indonesia's journey over the past decade, I see one clear lesson. Change is never easy, but change is necessary. When I first became president, I had a simple question. How can we build a strong economy for 280 million people? We knew there were no shortcuts, and today we have strong reason why building infrastructure and introducing regulation are very important before moving into the intelligent economy. First, it is because infrastructure provides the foundation for connectivity, data flow, and technological integration. It is the best backbone that makes the intelligent economy run. And second, with the right regulations, this ecosystem can grow stronger and faster, allowing innovation, technology, and entrepreneurship to thrive together. This is how new opportunities will